Welcome to your source for amplitude modulation on ham radio, the AM window.
I've been kind of listening to Louis Central Frank and Harry and Jeff. You're good there. Oh, very good, and good morning to you there. Here's the switch there, Frank. Are you running an XDR this morning?
Yes, I'm on my LN7000 DLE with the LD Monster Info Joe.
Well, you can sound really good. So hats off to you. Everybody's really nice for Phil's here and pretty sticky. We did finally get both air conditioning units. We just go with, don't have central air here, unfortunately. So we just bite the bullet and place the window units where it's so strategic, even though it's not terribly efficient or effective. It takes the edge off the door. So we've got window units upstairs in the bedroom, and then two window units downstairs, kind of strategically placed. Which again, just make it manageable versus, really, really horrible. Dehumidify, things are awful. Eventually, I'm sure we'll consider the central air option a lot easier. Window unit stuff is no hurry. That's what we do when we buy with it. But, yeah, the past week has been good to have both of those window units working in the first floor of the house. This is needed. Although yesterday evening, late afternoon, I sat outside on the screened-in porch we have, and it was pretty nice. There wasn't a lot of sun, and so it was a little breezy, and it was not as hot. So that was kind of good. And I was hoping that, I don't know, maybe today's the day that when the tropical storm kind of moved through there. I imagine you guys got a ton of rain down in New Jersey and New York. You didn't get much here at all, really. But I imagine, I was hoping that, the high pressure would build in and, how you have that classic pattern of super clear day after the tropical system moves through, but I haven't really seen that yet. About 10 minutes left here, so I think we can make it back to some of the list at least. And just to offer, I don't want to let out on a down note in any shape or form, but unfortunately this week, about Wednesday, our 16-year-old Labrador Retriever Marlene took a really significant turn for the worse. And so Friday afternoon, we really had to make the decision to let her go. She had not eaten or drank in 2 days. And if I did the math correctly, she was about 118 or 120 years old. So, God bless her, Friday was a tough day. But we've really gotten through it. Turn the notification off on the cell phone here. You guys probably heard that. And we're doing okay. to be honest, it's a bit of a relief because you had so many challenges in that last year, and we did everything we could to do right by her, but on Friday we had to let her go. So she's going on to join many other pets who've been a part of this household, and boy, I'll tell you, she really reigns supreme over this household. She was just the sweetest dog, you know. And, 16 years, that's a long for a large dog like that, I'm sure. So, anyway, no need to dwell too much. Just figured I'd share that quickly and let's move along with the net. I mentioned we're going to have other check-ins as we go along here, but let's look back at what's Jerry came in, so let's get Jerry in there, and then we'll figure out if there's time to patch back through the list a little bit. W1ZB, good morning to Ann over there. This is N1V, I think. Yeah, okay, who's checking in? Okay, well, good morning. Copy everyone very well up here in that, and it is a hot weekend for sure. I think like Joe, I didn't get much rain here. But it was freezing yesterday, so that kind of made it a little tolerable to get outside during the day and do some yard work and not comfortable at all. We have the same situation with air conditioning, the windows. Now we put them in day at the first sign of a hot day because we know we're going to use them. No more than, well, can we get by June without AC? It just doesn't work anymore like that. And the weight of the air conditioners are about the weight of a DS-100. So I figure that gets me into shape for putting any heavy boat anchor on the bench high. Of course, I have 4 of them to put in, so I do have to pace it. But so far I've had no problems beginning of the season. And we have our strategically placed for cooling as well as having on different circuits so that those 2 air conditioners are on the same place, which wouldn't work. So that's something to manage as well. Anyway, let me talk to Brett, and then we can turn it back to whoever. WS10, good morning. This is W1ZD.
Morning, Johnny.
Good morning to you.
And Joe, NTS-2 Joe, I'd like to pass along my condolences to you and your loss of
Sorry to hear that.
And it's been kind of hot and sticky over here on the rain in the middle of the night. I didn't hurt. My wife had to get up and close the windows. Yesterday, we had a blast of rain cut full associated with some tropical depression. So we had a turkey here at that time tour. Yeah, and there's Greg.
Writing you down there, Greg?
Yeah, very good. Excellent.
Well, here you just find there, Bruce, I think you were probably more in the pathway of some precipitation from the storm there. We were just far enough east here in southeastern Connecticut to really not see much. And I think that was the same for this area up there outside of Boston. So, well, very good. Well, I was just shooting over to the microwave across the room to heat up my cup of coffee. And when Bruce was sitting across from me, so Greg, you're here because I'll send it to you. I'll be able to improve my coffee, and it'll be good to start the meditation at the top of the hour. As you guys know, I don't have any schedule planners for any of the departure this morning, so I will be good for the entirety of the night. So, yeah, KE1MI. And the AM carrier prenet. This is N1VIV.
You there, Greg? W3MR. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm here. I just went on Sunday night. Right out here in the yard, so I was enjoying the show. It's like that, but you want to set your things behind me. I guess if I was. Good morning, everybody. Not too horrible. I don't just sit anyway. So, last year it's still started to hear the passing of your dog there, Joe. Yeah, 16 is, that's right up there age-wise for most dogs, so once they stop eating and stuff, it's not a good thing, so yeah, condolences on that. It's hard, and really a good fact, it's really hard. They just don't, animals just don't live long enough, unfortunately. But, there you go, and you can, we're taking a break from not having any dogs right now, but we'll have them again. And people think dog people are always at them. So. There you go. I don't know if anybody else jumped in, but I think I got this absolutely beautiful girl out here, and she looks good, and leads the way out here, and the baby's adorable. Just a little one there, so kind of always fun to watch the dealer here in the yard. Anyway, back to you, Joe. N1VIV and the prenet, KE1MI. Looks like it's time. Yeah, okay, we've got fish in there. Very good. Very good, Bruce. KE1MI. I'm sorry. I don't know why I did that. You might need more coffee, correct? You have to write your name next to you. Next to your tongue. So I keep it straight. I don't know why. Oh, maybe because I turned it over from Bruce. I think that's why. No problem. Well, I got Chris in there. Good morning, Chris. Nice to hear you. So well, and good morning all the way around. So, yeah, it's 8 o'clock. We'll get things rolling here. And we've got a really nice peanut drink, so we'll wind up sufficiently on that. And when we're doing the normal check-ins, you're supposed to just let me know if anybody needs to be floated to the top. Feel free to let me know that, and we'll do so. So, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the AM Carrier Net. My name is Joe. My call is N1VIV, and I'm located in Stonington, Connecticut. We're in the road Sunday morning here at 8 a.m. local time. You're on 3830 on the 75-meter band. The AM Carrier Net was established for the purpose of promoting and enjoying operations in the AM mode. It's casual net, so there's no requirement to check in other than being able to operate in the AM mode. Certainly like to hear from new stations who are just beginning to explore interest in operating AM. whether you're trying to resurrect an old boat anchor maybe, or trying to get a more modern radio that sounds good on AM. On any given Sunday, there's a whole host of participants with knowledge and information to that end. So all are welcome. Please join in. Format of the nets, take check-ins at the top of the net here. We already have a pretty good pre-net list. And then if there's a shuffle, during round one, we'll add them to the list, and then we'll stay, and hopefully if folks are able to stay, we'll do a round two. If folks could please let me know during your round one transmission if you might be able to stay for round two. That would be great. That way I'll have a cleaner kind of list to work from for round two. And of course, if folks are on a short timeline this morning, just let me know when you check in by saying something like, please float me to the top, and I'll do my best to get you to the top of the list so we can get you in here, and then off to whatever other responsibilities you may have. We're happy to do that for folks because our Sunday mornings can be complicated sometimes for folks, so don't hesitate to let us know if you need to get floated to the top. And let's see. I don't think I need to run through the pre-net list because I put pretty good attention to it, and I can hear everybody from the floor. We put you in more close right after Greg, so we're in good shape there. So let's start. I don't have any pressing requirements to be out the door this morning. So I'll be here for the entirety of the net without encumbrance, I hope. So check in. Any stations anywhere we can check into the AM carrier net, please call now. Then one VID. WA2 MER. One. Good morning to you, Jim. WA2 MER, 81SH up there in the quiet corner of Connecticut. Very good. We got both of you guys, and hearing you both quite well. Very good indeed. You can shaping up pretty nicely here, pretty average. You know, listen, just in case any of the check-ins anywhere for the net, please call now. I'm not sure if I'm hearing a little bit of a low carrier in there, but I'm not 100% sure about that. So we'll give one more listen, and certainly if anybody else is hearing somebody that I can't hear, I'll pop in and let me know. I guess, Steve, you're our most southern listening folks. So if there's anybody out there in the Pennsylvania, New Jersey area that I might not be hearing, feel free to jump in there and help me pull them in. So any other stations wishing to check into the net, please call in. Yeah, I thought there was something in there. That's unfortunate. How strong is it where you are, Al?
Not very strong.
Yeah, same here. Well, too much probably hindrance for the majority of folks. Signals are quite good today. Everybody seems to be scrapping in here quite well. So let's hope that we can continue to stay above the carrier. So, well, give one more listen just in case, then we'll get things going here. Any of the check-ins for the AM carrier, please call now. This is N1 VIV. Okay, nothing else heard there, so I'll run down the list, and we'll get things started with a few comments, and we'll get moving along toward the morning. So I'll get things started with some introductory comments, and then I'm going to send it to Perry. This will be the official order for round one. I'll try to put it down in a way that folks could moderately slow as I can. So, everything's covered. Source on 1VID, and I'll send it to Perry, W3MMR. W3MMR, we send it to Jeff, WA2RAF. WA2RAF, we send it up to Al, W1VTC. W1VTT, we send it to Clay, W2SDR. W1ZB. W1ZB, we send it to Bruce. WX10. And WX10, we send it to Greg. KE1MI. KE1MI, Chris. AJ1G, who's down the block here. AJ1G, we send it to Jim, W2MER. And W2MER, we send it to Bill, 81SH. Bill, if there's any other seconds, we're going to pass them in after this. It will come back up to the top of the list for me for a go at round 2. So, as I mentioned, I'll be good here for the entirety of the net. The folks could just let me know if you're able to stay for round 2 during your round 1 transmission. That would certainly help me keep the list as clean as I can for round 2, and we can go from there. Well, just running my normal homebrew rig. Things seem to be modulation monitor looks good. The fire seems to be running just fine. I'm listening, so it's the homebrew 922. Just about 200 watts into the dipole up about 50 feet. Maybe 45 feet. And just listening on the Hammerland HG129X. So that's a classic lineup. Well, thanks everybody for your thoughtful comments regarding our Labrador Marlene. Yeah, she was a real love, and of course, my brain still instinctively says, "Ooh, I gotta take her out before the net. I gotta go." We had a little pen out in the backyard for her, that she, spend time outside without needing to be running around the neighborhood, so to speak. But yeah, so it'll take some time for my brain to adjust. And the funny thing is that this is the first time we've been without a pet. Like, there are no pets in this house right now. No fish, no hamsters, no cats, no dogs, no nothing. And we've been through the whole gamut.
What are you doing?
We were kind of reminiscing with the kids a little bit over the weekend about all the different pets. But as I had said, Marlene really reigned supreme over them all because, she'd been with us the longest, and she had the sweetest disposition. So we've had so many great years with her. That's no question. So thanks everyone. But again, I don't want to kind of complicate the tenor of the net with that too much, but at the same time, I do appreciate everybody's thoughts. So thanks. I'm feeling okay about it today, and I'm doing okay. So I'm very grateful for that. That's for sure. Let's see what else is going on. Oh, well, I'm waiting for a call later on today from somebody who may be trying to pass on
potty?
some
Good
basic
potty?
things.
Just a lip. You do a lip.
The
Get
reading
your
off
ear.
the city.
Get your ear.
Younger person I work with needed
Get
to
your
be
ear.
with either a family or friend. And he's studying electrical engineering, but doesn't really have the time. Next year he's moving back to college, and I think maybe his parents are saying, well, let's get all this old junk out of here. So I want to see, you know, what that call entails later.
Stretch it out, stretch it out, stretch it out.
I'm not sure. Maybe
Stretch it out, stretch it out, stretch it out.
like those, you know, parts and
You
pieces.
gonna get potty in a bit?
I don't know.
We're gonna go for a walk in a little bit, okay?
But at least it's not going to the dumpster. That's what I had a very brief text exchange with the
Go get your collar. Go find your collar.
Boy,
Go get it. Go. Go get your collar. Go get it. Come on, go get it. Go. You go for a walk.
I'm going to talk to them later and see what's going on with that.
Look.
So, let's see. Let's get it moving down the list here.
You know it.
And then folks can let me know if you
Come on, hop up.
think
Let's
we're
go.
on that.
Hop up.
AM carrier, I'm walking.
Right. Oh, looking down a bit. Alright, Joe, I'm on VIV W3MMR. Good morning to you, Joe. Good copy here this morning. A little bit of QSB, but it's par for the course for this time of the morning. This time of the year. Great to hear you, Joe, and thanks for running the net as always. And obviously, I'm real sorry about your dog. I'm over here playing with mine right now and telling him that we were going to go for a walk. And he said, what? I just said it again. He's looking at me. Here after I get done with my transmission, my one and done. So yes, Joe, this is my one and done. We are on the Heathkit DX100 transmitter this morning. Listening on the National NC303 receiver, and running into a balanced L network, homebrew balanced L network tuner into a 600 ohm lateral line fed 80 meter double up about 60 feet. Only running about 100 watts of carrier this morning, so hopefully you guys are hearing me all right, and I won't monopolize things here just in case you guys are having a rough time with me. What else did I want to say? I want to say, oh yeah, good morning to you, Greg. I forgot I chatted with you yesterday. I was telling my dad this morning. I didn't get on the radio much last night, but I forgot I did chat with you. Or was it yesterday or the day before? Now I can't remember. But anyway, it was good chatting with you, Greg. Another good signal down here this morning from Vermont, especially for this time of the morning. Good morning, Chris, Jim, Bill, Al, Steve, Jeff, once again, and Joe. And we got, what's the temperature? It is already up to 82 degrees this morning, and I echo what everybody said about this heat. I lived down south for quite a few years, and this is just like it was down south. A little less humid, but as far as temperature goes, this is South Carolina weather. It's pretty insane. So anyway, I'm gonna say 7-3, guys. Have a great morning. Hope everybody has a great week, and hopefully everybody stays cool this week. And oh yeah, once again, good morning to you, Pop. Sorry. 7-3, guys, and over to you, Jeff. Here it comes. WA2RAS in the AM carrier net. This is W3MMR.
So good morning, everybody. Good signals all around. Joe, I'm so sorry to hear the passing of Marlene. My condolences. I still think about one of my cats that went on to the great little box in the sky about years ago. I think about my cat all the time. And by the way, speaking of cats, which I was, my cats, among other things that they hate is getting into the cat carriers to take them to the health or to take them anywhere. They just do a very good job of resisting. They're very small. It's really a terrible battle. And I always see these vans in my neighborhood, mobile pet grooming vans, but they don't do cats, no cats, only dogs. So anyway, I went on the internet and I called a bunch of places. Mobile grooming, business. I don't know, the coronavirus, but anyway, I found one. Supposedly, they're coming today, and so I'm really looking forward to this. I don't know about my cats looking forward to this, but I would much rather have their nails trimmed than the cats using my mattress as a scratching post. Also, Joe, you mentioned the guy who has the equipment from the SK. I didn't realize until recently ulcer cams out there. Guys, it's a good idea to swoop in on the shacks of silent keys and clean them out. In fact, one guy was one silent key that I know had a whole bunch of stuff, and some other guy was going to come in and not only take all of the equipment, I would say steal all of the equipment, but take all the air conditioning too, as an additional prize. So nice, scary, not good. Greg, very good. Backyard, interesting, and we had a really storm Faye, tropical storm Faye on Friday was really nasty here, very, very high winds, and anyway, Joe, I'll be in for one round only. I will be listening after the first round. Everybody have a great week. Over to you, Al. W1 VTP. This is WA2 RAS.
And when they left. Well, we got Rob in there. Good morning, Rob. Let me make sure I've got it here. Okay. N1 A L F. So, Bill, KD1SH, you're going to send it to Rob, N1ALF, and then Rob, if there's any other check-ins, we're going to tack them in after you. So, it goes over to Al. Good morning, Al. W1VTP. Then 1VIV. So they're coming back again next week, and finished the job with the eight solutions, including the proper filter. There you go. And my sympathies for your loss of Irene. The labs don't live much more. The oldest lab right now, as far as physical practice, is 20 years old. I didn't know that.
Ready?
Yeah,
Good for a walk? Walk.
I think I hear it, right? It's all yours, Frank.
All right, thanks, Steve. W2SDR. Okay, there's a little bit more audio down here, Al, but I'm signing out. This is my thing, but maybe other folks it sounds okay. But the band's starting to go away already, so let's down this road. But nice hearing everybody this morning, and have a good morning. It's getting warm here already. I'm not going to do anything outside today. I took a 5-mile half jog, half walk yesterday, and I got myself a little blister on my big toe, so my sock was a little bit bunched up in my shoe, and that did it. You know, over the course of an hour and a half, it's gonna, all kinds of issues will show up. As you probably know, Steve, playing tennis, you know, out there for 15 or 20 minutes, but you're out there for a long time, and then different issues start to pop up. So I'm just going to take the day off today and kind of hide out. I think I'm trying to get a haircut. A girl that's one of my neighbors has been cutting my hair. She is a professional, so I'm trying to get on the schedule. She's supposed to text me this morning. I'm trying to get over there for a haircut. So that's really the only thing I have on my agenda today. And Joe, condolences again about your dog, and you'll get over that soon, hopefully. Time goes past. We've had 2 dogs here. They're both gone, and I haven't replaced them. I have cats now. They seem to last so long, but I need them here with the rodents. So I got plenty of them. I guess if one goes, I'll get another one to replace it. I mean, I love the cats to death. I love all pets, so all animals. So because I volunteer one day a week at our county animal shelter on Wednesdays, so I'm around a lot of animals on a weekly basis. 7-3 all. I'm going to listen out for just a couple of minutes, and I'm going to get my day started here. So we'll see you guys later. Have a great day. K2FW and the AM Carrier Net. W2SVR. Take it away there, Steve.
Yeah, real good, Frank. W2SDR from K2FW. Very good. Yeah. I know what you mean about the injuries and different things. I have all kinds. I have knee braces, wrist braces, ankle braces, all kinds of things. For about a year, I had a bone bruise on one toe from playing tennis. I ended up getting it from over the winter time. I play indoors during the winter, and I don't. Somehow my foot just, I guess, hitting the hard surface, I ended up with a bone bruise, and that took a long time to go away. So yeah, it's it's good to stay in motion and stay active, obviously, but you have to be healthy to keep in motion. So I think a day off here and there is not a bad thing. Not a bad thing. And 5-mile walk jog, that's terrific. I did 2 miles straight the other day, jog. It was a slow jog, but made that, and so try to do something every day. Maybe not aerobically every day, but something. And great on volunteering at the local shelters and all that. That's terrific stuff. Just one kitty here. We used to have, I think at one time we were up to 4. But then Frisky died about 3-4 years ago, and we were out without any pets for about 3 months, and that's when we got the one that we have now, Patches. And she's a rescue kitty as well. So very good on that. Yeah, the tropical storm that went through here dumped just a ton of rain here. We had easily over an inch. I don't know what the official count was. I don't watch the news all that much, but it just rained buckets pretty much all day, and really no winds at all. But I think that's because we were on the west side. I think it actually came in around Atlantic City. We're inland from Atlantic City. So if you're on the east side of the storm, that's when you usually get a little bit more winds, because it's a counterclockwise rotation. And I think it was Greg on the fawn. We have quite a few deer here out. We live fairly rural here. Have a few acres of ground as well, and yeah, there's been a doe with her fawn hanging around for about the last 2-3 weeks now, and it's fun to watch the fawn grow and all that. But they're really cute with the spots and stuff like that, and it's nice to see. Really nice to see the little deer. We have a lot of wild turkeys around here as well, and some of them have babies now, so a lot of activity going on outside. Joe, my condolences on your puppy dog Marlene, and glad she was with you for 16 years. She was fortunate enough to have a great home, so congratulations on that, but condolences on having to do what you did. That's always a very tough decision, but I think she kind of made the decision for you. And I guess that's about it. I've been on CW a little bit. This weekend is the SKCC's weekend sprintathon. They have that once a month, and messed around with that a little bit for about an hour or so yesterday. Don't know if I'll get on today or not. I'm not sure yet. We have our grandson turned 3 yesterday, and we have a party for him today at a park. And so there'll be several people there, and so we'll get together for his name's Jack, his 3rd birthday. And we found out earlier this week as well that we'll be having another grandchild sometime either in late February or March. We just found that out about four or 5 days ago. So that'll be our 2nd grandchild, probably the last. So there you go. Anyway, 73s all the way around. I'll be listening out through the entire first round. Won't be back for round 2 though, Joe. And thanks again for being net control. You do a great job. So let me see. I turn it up to Mr. Jerry. Mr. Jerry, it was good to hear you, Jerry, on the Vintage Sideband Net, which meets on Friday mornings on 3804, and it's a lot of fun. You hear a lot of old tube rigs drifting around and whatnot on the single sideband. Jerry always has one of the best sounding rigs on there, and Bruce is on there as well with his 520. So up to you, Jerry. And training camp starts on Monday. W1ZB in the AM carrier net, 73s all from K2 Fuzzy Wuzzy.
Close to 90. This is a very hot weekend here, and we did not get any of the benefits of that tropical depression here. No rain, which we desperately need, and no severe wind. It was yesterday, so it did make being outside in the shade a little bit more tolerable. But today is a heat advisory day for us, and we'll kind of stay more in the air conditioning. So, Joe's on here at the lab. Yeah, they do you do get attached, and they do become a family member. Hopefully you have some very good memories of the dog. Let's see, Greg, yeah, we have a deer family come to our backyard here too. We're kind of in a wooded area here north of Boston. And this goes in a 2-foot barn. So for some reason it wasn't, so I don't know if it's because attack that. And as far as the sports, Steve, yeah, it looks like hockey is going to be played in Canada in their abbreviated season, and baseball will be played in Florida. So we'll see how those work out. I managed to pick up a very inexpensive tablet. Amazon tablet. They had a one-day sale, and it was $59. So I decided to try it, as I don't have a laptop here in the shop. So long story short, it works very well with all of the web SDRs. So as a auxiliary receiver, it will come in pretty handy. Also, I found it very good using a remote SDR for, excuse me, I'm going to see. Okay, and it would be very handy as a test tool. Steve again, so anyway, yeah, that's going to work out fine. And it allows me to do some alignment on some of these phasing rigs much more easily than using a receiver to align the upper and lower sidebands. So that's it for me. We're looking out for the first round, one round only, Joe. And 73 to all. Over to Bruce, WX10. This is W1ZD.
KG2I.